my name's Kane from Bird Free Australia. Thank you for joining us today and thank you for your interest in our Bird Free Optical Gel. The purpose of today's video is to provide a brief rundown of the optical gel and outline how the gel works. We'll also cover the essential key steps that must be followed when installing the gel. After today's presentation, we trust you will have a better understanding of the gel and the methods involved for a successful installation. Bird Free Optical Gel has been registered now for over 2 years here in Australia and has been well received in the pest control market, where it has been installed in a wide variety of situations from domestic, commercial, government and mining sectors. So what is optical gel? Bird Free Optical Gel is a safe, harmless gel type bird deterrent that is easy to install and can be used in almost any situation. The gels are supplied in boxes of 15 ready to go dishes and have a life expectancy of 2 to 4 years. We actually have trial sites here in Australia which are now over 4 years old and are still successfully working. Bird Free Optical Gel is the only gel type product that is recommended for use in heavy pressure situations and has been used successfully worldwide. There are 2 dish options, the standard dish and the magnetic dish. The standard dishes basically can be easily installed with just a small dab of silicone, and the magnetic version has a very strong magnet installed in the base of the dish. So how do they work? The primary function of Bird Free Gel is to trigger a natural fear response by the bird, in turn creating an area in which the bird will not be comfortable and will leave. The gels do this by triggering 3 of the bird's main senses: sight, smell and touch. The polymers in the gel reflect ultraviolet light, which birds can see, where we humans cannot. The gels appear to us as a yellow coloured gel. Birds see them as a naked flame or as fire. The gels also give off a smell which birds find offensive and will avoid. This smell will naturally disappear over time, however the gels will still remain effective. The gels also are very tacky, so if the bird was to come in contact with the with the gel, they will leave the site and generally will not come back. The key to a successful installation using Bird Free Gel is to ensure the site is thoroughly cleaned. We supply 2 products for cleaning. The first cleaner is a ready-to-use or R2U cleaner. It is an alcohol enzyme blend which will break down the feces and eliminate the pheromones present which drive the birds back to the area. This is a convenient choice for cleaning up lightly soiled areas or where no nesting material is present. This cleaner should basically be used for day roosting sites. We also have a cleaner concentrate for use in heavily soiled and nesting areas. It's this one here. This should be used on all pigeon sites as the ingredients will do the same as the R2U. However, the concentrate cleaner also will kill the pathogens that are associated with pigeon feces. It's very important to wear the correct PPE when using these products, so please ensure you read the safety instructions carefully. Once the area is being cleaned, we can move on to installing the gels. Another key aspect to a successful install is the correct spacings of each dish. This is determined by the species of birds you're looking at controlling. However, when treating nesting sites, regardless of species, the spacings of each dish should be no more than 150mm centre to centre. These spacings are outlined in the installation manual, which will be emailed to you after today's video. As mentioned earlier, there are 2 dishes available. The standard dish, which can be easily fixed by applying a small dab of silicone to the base of the dish and pressing down onto the surface. This silicone is also something that should or needs to be factored into your pricing, especially for large installs. The magnetic dish, as mentioned earlier, they do have a very strong magnet that's pre-installed into the base of the dish. While the magnetic version of the gel is a little bit more expensive, they can save a lot of time on the install as they are literally placed where you want them. Simply remove the top and it's done. It's that simple. It's important to note that there will be some situations where the gel is not suitable, such as areas where people can mistakenly touch the dishes, or where there is a lot of overhang or loose material or debris above the site where being installed that could possibly dislodge and settle on top of the gels, possibly rendering them ineffective. So always inspect the site and keep this in mind before working out number of dishes that's required. We also supply zip tie mounts, that's these here, and sign clips for installing the gels on areas such as piping, thin materials or street signs. We'll actually cover these more in another video shortly, but basically these allow for the gels to be securely fixed to most surfaces where the birds can roost. So that basically concludes our presentation today. I hope this video was informative and helped you to better understand what the bird-free optical gel is and what's involved for a successful installation. We will endeavour to add further videos on our website and Facebook page, so we encourage you to check these out. Click the bell icon button to be notified when this happens. So for now, thank you for watching. If we can be of any further assistance at all, please don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great day. Thank you.